Alright, so hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mia and this just so happens to be my first video. Today we'll be doing a thorough wash and go on my hair today. I just took down some jumbo braids and I had them in for about 2 months. So you know how it is when you take out braids and there's knots and there's like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we finna do a thorough detangulation, if that's even a word, and we're just finna wash our hair using some Creme products. So I'm going to show y'all all the products I'm going to use today. We have the Creme shampoo with no sulfate. Yeah, is it? Yeah, no sulfate, sulfate free. And then we have the Intense Conditioning Creme conditioner. We will be using the Creme Argan Oil Leave-In Spray Conditioner. Creme Argan Oil Smooth and Shine Out Cream. I'm not sure if I want to use this yet, y'all, because I think I want my hair to air dry, but we'll see about this product. We will be using Creme hair butter. We're going to be using Edge Booster, this purple one. We're going to be using Weave and Wig conditioner, but you can also use it on natural hair. This is what I'm going to be using to detangle my hair. And I'm going to be using some water to detangle my hair. Now, don't talk about my own water bottle, y'all, because it's a little ratchet. It's a little crunched up, but we're going to talk about it. And then I'll also be using this Wild Hair Growth Oil. And then this sectional clip. I wish I had another one, but I can't find it, y'all. Alright guys, the first thing I'm going to be doing is detangling my hair. So I'm going to take my bonnet off. Don't roast me, y'all. Don't roast me. I told you I just took out braids. I'm going to take my bonnet off. And then I'm going to section my hair off. So I'm taking my bonnet off after braids. Gonna take our little headband off. And then I still got my section. I mean my part from the braids. So I'm gonna take my big clip this section off. Clip that section off. And then I'm going to detangle this side first, y'all, and then this side. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray some water like all over my head. Well, we can really do section by section. Like water. Yeah, we're gonna do section by section because this junk going everywhere. But make sure that it's super moist. And I ain't got no towel with me. And then I'm going to take this Weave and Wig Detangler and spray it generously. Go back and add some water with some detangler, feel free to do so. Ooh, boom, boom. I might can do something cute today. Yeah, I haven't really did anything with my real hair out in a long time. I always get braids or locks or headband weaves. I was actually thinking about buying me a U-part wig because I've been seeing a lot of videos on YouTube about U-part wigs, and I can't install no wigs on that. U-part wigs and headband wigs are probably the best. But y'all let me know in the comments. Have any of y'all tried U-part wigs yet? Or headband wigs? And what's a good company to get one from? I got my straight headband wig from Lovely Hair. It's pretty good. But I haven't styles all the time, but I don't see much growth. Like, I do see some growth, but not much. I know I could, you know, do more to keep my hair growing, but I do keep protecting styles around. So I think I need to like wear my hair out a little bit more, because I never wear my hair out. Like, I'm always braids, I barely wear wigs, but I want to start like wearing more this year. So I want to buy a couple more, like I said, but the thing with part wigs, y'all, I gotta put heat on my hair on my leave out, so I might get more heavy. But I love how part wigs look. I never tried it before, but I see when people put them on, they look really, really natural, like it's coming from your scalp, because you have the leave out and then you have the hair. But I think it looks nice. This will be much easier and faster with a pick. But like I said, I have literally no idea where mine is. And I can't go anywhere because I'm currently in quarantine. Yeah, it's like my 4th day in quarantine. It's been rough, y'all. I've really been trying to find things to do. I found out I had COVID literally on Christmas. I was devastated. I couldn't do shit. I wanted to go to my cousin's house and stuff, but ended up couldn't do nothing. But it's alright. This is the second time, y'all. The second time y'all friend COVID has gotten to me. I had it a year ago, and I guess the anniversary just decided to pop up and give me it again. So I have no clue, y'all. I actually take a lot of precaution. I use gloves. I double mask at work. I spray Lysol all around my job. Like, I have no idea. I was the most cautious person ever. And people who don't wear their masks and just walk around and live life, I mean, I guess, like, COVID don't care about them, so it's just like, I don't know. I guess I take my vitamins every day. I just don't know, y'all. I eat decent. I'm not gonna say I eat perfect, but I eat decent, so I just been trying to do stuff to really pass the time by. Like, make little makeup videos. Like, I've been starting to make makeup reels. My first makeup reel I made on Christmas. If y'all want to check out my little makeup reels that I've made so far, I think I only put 2 up. But my Instagram is in the beginning, but it will be in the bottom too. I will put my Instagram in the description box. I will put my Instagram, ITS_M1AAA, and I got some little makeup reels on there. I made I decided to make this video. I've also just been watching a lot of MasterChef. Like, I've been writing out something I want to cook and I want to try. So y'all, so let me see this. Well, I'm gonna see the 6 things on the 4th day. I've been exercising as well. I've been doing these little dance workouts that's on YouTube. It's this channel called And8 Fitness. I've been like working out with them, like long way, strong way, dancing and stuff. It's dancing, but it does get you tiring, and it's very more exciting than regular workouts. Y'all, the first time, my bad, y'all. But the first time I had COVID, the symptoms that I had, the reason that I kind of guessed that I had it, and this was when COVID first came out in 2020. I was at school on campus, and I just started to feel like like I had a headache and I just didn't feel good. So I went to sleep that night. Next morning I woke up. I started like, you know your morning routine, regular morning routine, get up, brush your teeth, take a shower. I started to realize that I couldn't smell my products. Like, you know how you get in the shower and you like to smell your soap, and you like to smell this and just like, smell your lotions and stuff. Yeah, I was like, I can't smell nothing. So I go over to my apple cider vinegar and try to smell that. And y'all know how strong apple cider vinegar is. I'm talking about nothing. I could not smell anything. And so that's when I started to panic. I started to call my mom. And once I called my mom, I guess the panicking made me start feeling another symptom. I was hot. Like, I was extremely hot, like overly hot. I called my mom. I was like, start crying and stuff like, mommy, I think I got the you know what I'm saying, I think I got COVID. Oh yeah, we finna start on this side. But yeah, I was like, I think I got COVID. And so it went on from there. I ended up coming home, and basically I've been here ever since. And so this time I got COVID. My symptoms were the chills for sure. Like, I was hot since day one. Like, I'm like, what is going on? It's extremely hot. And then when I turn my fan, it gets too cold. And then I have to turn that off. And it's just like a back and forth type thing. And it's just, yeah, y'all. I definitely wouldn't wish this upon anybody. Had to get my towel. But yeah, I definitely wouldn't wish it upon anybody. I had the chills, hot, cold, mostly hot. And I have a very, very severe stuffy nose that I've managed to tame with Mucinex. But I've gotten better, because the first 3 days my back was hurting really, really bad. My back felt like it was gonna break into pieces. It was hurting worse than when I'm on my cycle. I was really, really hot. I was extremely tired, like in the bed for like 2 days straight. And really stuffy nose. And now the only symptom that I have is still a little bit of congestion, but it's gotten way better. That's the only symptom I have now. And I've been working out, drinking a lot of water, taking my vitamins, and just really keeping myself busy down here. You know what I'm saying? Basically trying to entertain myself in a way. Because it's like, yeah, you can be on FaceTime, but like, come on now. That gets boring. And people have stuff to do. People got to work. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, like, I just basically have to find ways to entertain myself and just make myself productive. And I don't really want to go back to anybody's like, I really don't want to go to work anymore. So I've been applying to some online jobs that are flexible enough for a college student. Y'all, I'm in my second year of college. I'm a sophomore. So I want to do something flexible. And then, in a week from now, I'll be moving back on campus. And I was like, wow, I had COVID when I left campus. And now I'm finna go back, you know what I'm saying? After I just caught it again. But hopefully it'll be different this time. I was praying for the best. I can be as cautious as I can. You know what I'm saying? Just got to continuously pray and just hope for the best. But I have to go back because my classes are starting to be back in person and not online. So, yeah. And my major is criminal justice, y'all. If anybody was wondering. Yeah, I think I got a little dread in the front. I think this one will dread it up a little bit. Where this braid was. But yeah, my major is criminal justice. I actually want to be a paralegal, but I have my options and I can explore my options basically. So we're halfway through detangling this side, and then we're gonna go to the bathroom and start the washing process. Oh, but earlier I was saying, y'all, I forgot I was saying about that Love Me Hair straight headband wig. I haven't opened it yet, but I've seen how silky it looks and how good it looks, and I always order from Love Me, so it should be some good hair, and I want to do a review on it, but it won't be anytime soon because I have a hair appointment on the 9th, and I'll be getting some locks, and I can do a video, y'all, on different ways that you can style locks if y'all want me to do that. I've been wearing braids and like twists and locks for so long that I have so many different styles that I use. I don't know what style I want to do yet, y'all, but I want to style my natural hair in a cute little way. I don't know, I might look up something on Pinterest or either come up with something myself. When I used to wear my natural hair out, when I didn't have anything to do with my hair, I used to do 2 little puff balls. I low-key want to do something with some twist. All right, y'all, so we are done with the process of detangling my hair. So I've got it detangled. Everything's pretty much, you know, untangled, and we're about to go to the bathroom to start our washing process. All right, so y'all, we ready to start our washing process. I just got on some boxers and a little sports bra, so I don't mind getting it wet. Start with the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Sulfate Free Shampoo. So let's get our water going first, and then we'll go ahead and start. Alright guys, so now that I'm back in dry clothes, we can continue the process. So the first thing I'm going to do is use this Cream of Nature Argan Oil Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. I'm just spray it all over, guys. Make sure you keep shaking it up really good. Okay. And then I'm just gonna brush the leave-in conditioner through just a little bit. Okay, so we got that through. Now I'm about to use Cream of Nature Moisture Rich Hair Butter. It's weightless hydration, soft, fizz-free curls, and daily hair moisturizer. It smells yummy, y'all. And this is how it looks, this pudding. So I'm gonna just start by putting it in the front and then just working my fingers through. And it feels really good, y'all. It's making my hair feel really soft. And then I can take the brush too and like make sure it's getting through. And make sure that it's really blending in with your hands. Y'all still haven't decided what style I want to do yet. But I guess I'll just figure it out. I want to try to find some little cute clamps. And I think I had some clamps, but I have no idea what I did with it. I have no idea. I won't be using that blowout stuff because I won't be blow drying my hair. I'll be leaving it wet to air dry and the style that it's about to go in. But I think I want to do 2 twists in the front and like a cute little puff. So what I'm about to do, ooh, y'all don't mind, please don't mind my part. We're gonna start off with this side. I'm gonna get a good little chunk of my hair in the front. Okay, hold on. Cute little chunk. Section this part off. Okay. I want to get a little curl put in, and I want to make like a big twist. Run a little curl put in through there. That's what I'm gonna do. I don't want to do it too tight because I want the twist to be like a big twist. So I'm going to do it very softly, not too tight. Yeah, if I don't like this, I'm just going to take it down and do another style. But this is just what I thought of at the moment because I didn't look on Pinterest. I just decided to just do a little style. So we got that twist. And now we're finna come over here and do this twist. This one look a bit thicker than that one. I might have used a little more hair. But it actually look decent. It's kind of little cute, y'all. So I'm finna get just a little more pudding and run it through one more time. I wish I had some eco, and I low-key feel like I do have it, but I'm not sure what it is. And your girl not finna go searching for it at all. Okay. And before we style the back, I'm gonna go ahead and do the edges. So let's hold our back down for a second. Our edge booster. Our edge wrap. Got a little makeup on it. And then edge brush. And we're gonna start styling these edges. Yeah, I had to make them a little tighter at the roots, I guess. I didn't want them to be that tight because I wanted big twists, but they do have to be tighter at the roots. So I'm just gonna redo them, make them a little bit tighter, but just not too much. I just made me some baby hairs. You really don't have to do this. I was just trying to do something different and try something different. You could just put it all back and up into a puff. But I just want to try something different to see how taking out, doing some little finessing some baby hairs would look. That's what I was trying to see. I'm not the best at doing baby hairs or edges, y'all. So, you know, I'm doing what I do, doing what I can do to make it look decent. Now I'm gonna put on this edge wrap just to make sure this little front part that I did stays in place. Oh, it's a little makeup. It's just a little makeup, but go under the twist basically. And I'm just gonna set that right there. Just a few seconds, I'm gonna let it sit. And then we'll take it off. All right, so y'all, so I'm back. I've let my edges sit in mode for a second with my edge wrap. We're about to take it off. They've molded a little bit. And I decided to just put my headband on and puff out the rest of my hair and leave it out. So we're gonna put the headband over our whole head first. And then we're gonna come back up here, past the twist. This headband kind of loose. Maybe I could have used a tighter one. But let's see what we can make do. I don't know, y'all. Should I put it in the puff? Cause like, how did this look to y'all? How did this look to y'all? Did this look like decent? Like, I like how the front part came out with my little edges and my twisties, but I don't know if I should just leave the back out like that or take my stretchy thing and like put it in a puff. So let's see how that would look. I don't know, this headband kind of like got loosened. And we're gonna let our little scrunchie, like basically scrunch our puff up. I wish this headband was just like a bit tighter, because it would be so cute. Because look how the puff look without it, like, right? It definitely looks better with the headband. So I got a couple more headbands, but we're not gonna do that. I think I got like a bow. All right, y'all, so I will find something eventually. I made this video way longer than I thought it was gonna be, but until then, I'm gonna just show y'all how it's gonna look once I put the bow on there and tighten up this headband. I just put this clip on there, but I'm gonna put a bow on the back and tighten up the headband, and this is the finished product. Just do that little puff up some more. It's a cute little puff with these twisties, y'all. I'm so proud of myself, y'all. I never do anything to my natural hair. As I stated before, y'all, I never do anything to my natural hair. So actually, I'm excited at how it came out. It's very cute. It's giving like, yes, natural. Come on, edges. Come on, twisties. Y'all, this is like, I'm not gonna say like I never did it, but I did like a couple puffs when I do my natural hair. I used to do my natural hair in middle school or high school when I had nothing to do. But lately, I just been wearing braids, like I said, just doing anything to my hair besides wearing it out. But I hope y'all really like it. I really do. I hope y'all like it. I'm trying to get this open. But besides that, y'all, this is the final product. And I just love it. I like how it came out. Creme Nature products really made my hair feel light, airy. It is weightless, and it smells good. And I'm just like low-key loving the little natural look. So I hope y'all love it too. And thanks for watching my first video. Please subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. And give this video a big thumbs up. And please, y'all, comment below. Thank you. And please come back to my channel for more.